There was a YouTube that I watched. I wish I remembered her name, but this was the first video I saw from her. But apparently she used to make videos before and then she disappeared for a bit. Then she came back and she had this thick long hair and everybody kept asking her, "How did you get your hair so long?" And her answer was, "I got a boyfriend." Okay, stick with me because when I heard this, I'm like, nah, that doesn't make sense. She said that her boyfriend loved playing in her hair and giving her scalp massages when she'd lie on his lap or when they were in bed. She said that he'd do this and that she'd also give herself regular scalp massages, and she swears up and down that this is the reason that her hair got so long. So, could this actually be true? The answer is yes, actually. According to a 2016 study articled by The Healthline, scalp massages lead to thicker hair by stretching the hair follicles to allow the hair to grow in larger. Massaging the scalp is thought to dilate blood vessels to increase circulation, thus resulting in increased hair growth. There was also another study done with people that had alopecia, and 69% of them reported seeing improvements in their hair after performing regular scalp massages. Now, this isn't new knowledge. Scalp massages have been recorded since ancient times, and they are common practice in many cultures. For example, in West Indian culture, where I'm from, they are often done by mother to their daughter, and it usually comes in during the hair braiding, washing, or oiling part of hairstyling. The best part about this tip is that it's completely free and they're super easy to do. You take your hands and move them in a circular motion around your scalp for at least 5 minutes. You can do a scalp massage with oil, you can do it alone, or you can use a scalp massage tool. There are studies that have shown that using your fingers is just as effective as using a tool. So it's really up to you whether you want to spend $20 on one of those cute little massages. I get carried away if it's pink. I'm like, ooh, I need it. But you know, it's up to you if you want to use it. But just remember that there are tons of ways to grow your hair. You just have to find what works for you and your lifestyle. You have to stick with it and be patient. If I didn't say my name, which I know I didn't, I'm Bri-Anne Alexis. This was episode 3 of our hair growth series. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!